In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multi-factor authentication, or MFA, on your Salesforce account. Multi-factor authentication provides an additional layer of security by requiring users to provide a second form of verification when logging in. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access, even if your password is compromised. Let's dive into the steps to enable this crucial security feature on your Salesforce account. First, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Salesforce account with the necessary administrative permissions. This is important because only users with admin rights can make changes to authentication settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Setup page. Now, if you're wondering where exactly to find the Setup page, don't worry. You'll typically find it in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. It might appear as either a quick link or as a gear icon, depending on your Salesforce version. With the Setup page now open, you'll see a lot of different options and settings that can be a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. We're going to focus on a very specific task to make it easier to find what we need. Next, you'll want to locate the Quick Find box. This is essentially a search bar that allows you to quickly locate specific settings without having to scroll through numerous categories. Go ahead and type Identity Verification into this Quick Find box. As you type, Salesforce will automatically start filtering the options down based on your input. Once you see Identity Verification appear in the list below, click on it. This will take you to the Identity Verification Settings page, which is crucial to the next steps in enabling MFA. On the Identity Verification page, there will be various settings listed, and we're specifically looking for the setting that says, Require multi-factor authentication for all direct UI logins to your Salesforce org. This option is what will enforce MFA for anyone attempting to log into your Salesforce organization directly through the interface. Beside this setting, there will be a checkbox. To enable MFA, simply click on this checkbox. This tells Salesforce that you require all direct user interface logins to be subjected to multi-factor authentication, enhancing the security protocols for accessing your org. Once you've checked the box, you're almost done. Finally, all that's left to do is click the Save button. This step ensures that the changes you've made are applied and your new security settings are enforced. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled multi-factor authentication on your Salesforce account. Remember, keeping your account secure is imperative to protect sensitive data and maintain trust. Utilizing MFA is a powerful step towards robust security. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful Salesforce tips and tutorials.